Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can add a moving average on NinjaTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your NinjaTrader software. Then after that, go to this icon right here. You will see indicators. Click on it. And here in available, scroll down until you see SMA, simple moving average. Okay. SMA, where it is, this one. So click on it 2 times, and as you can see here, we have the period. So 14 we have here. For me, I will choose 200. You can choose whatever you want. Okay, so you can change here the color if you want, as you can see here. So let's change this to, let's say, this one. And you can change also the width of the line. So let's say 5, for example, and click on apply. And as you can see here, this is my moving average. You can change the width if you want. So let's say 2. Okay, that's more like it. Then after that, click on OK. Also, you can add more moving averages like the EMA. So just choose EMA, the exponential moving average. This one, click on it. And also you can choose the period. So let's say 50. And you can also change the color of it if you want. Like, let's say this one. Or let's say another one. So let's say this one. You can change also the width. And click on apply. Click on OK after that. And as you can see here, this is the EMA and this is the SMA. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.